Introducing Craft Your Life Project Kit Bold and Beautiful with a gorgeous bold outline image and lots of beautiful sentiments. In the layering guide, you will see 2 full-size card examples. On the back, when you open it again, you'll see the supplies used to create the example shown. In the center, you'll see the inks used to create the image shown, as well as the inks used throughout the stencils as you work your way through, filling in the image with the inks shown above. And that is the layering guide for this stamp set. Next, we're going to go ahead and have a look at the beautiful stencil that comes with this set. There are 4 pieces, and this is a simple coloring stencil set. Next, we have the 3D embossing folder. Absolutely stunning once this is embossed, and you can use your stencils with this. And we have a die set that cuts the bolded words, as well as some beautiful flowers and leaves, so you can create some beautiful layouts of your own, some floral arrangements. Here we go. We're going to put stencil 1 into place. I'm using some of my gorgeous glitter tape from Altenew. I'm also using soft lilac ink with a number 10 micro blending brush to get the ink added to stencil number 1 from this set. Now we'll go ahead and we're going to put stencil number 2 into place. We will be using Pinkalicious on this stencil. And for this one, I did use a mini ink blending tool. I will switch up my blending tools as I work through this process. Now we're on to stencil number 3. So on stencil 3, we're going to begin with chamomile and a micro blending tool in number 10 to add the flower centers. I do miss a couple that I will add in as I'm doing the leaves. Nothing like filling in the leaves with olive to have some of the flower centers that I may have missed pop out. So you'll see me grab my chamomile brush and add those in as I'm going through. Sometimes they blend in perfectly until you are looking for leaves, and then the flower centers pop right out. Now we'll go ahead and remove this stencil, and we're going to put our final stencil into place. And on this stencil, we're going to begin again with Pinkalicious, and we're going to add it to those 2 flowers there, the little bud and the little flower over there. Then we're going to go ahead with Shadow Creek and we'll fill in the rest, which are all leaves. So I am using a micro blending brush number 10 again, which are great for stencils with closer images on them. And here we go. We have our completed image. Coming up, you're going to see some amazing examples by our fabulous designers. To find out more about Craft Your Life Project Kit, Bold and Beautiful, and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello there. Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.